Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a Chevrolet Camaro with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials: large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable adhesive like hot glue or strong tape. Next, find or sketch a detailed template of a Chevrolet Camaro. This will be your blueprint for accurate cuts. Always work in a safe, well-lit area, and consider using a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping. Using your template, carefully cut out the main body panels, including the sides, hood, roof, and trunk. Remember to score the cardboard lightly along any bend lines before folding to achieve smooth, clean curves. Precision is key here, so take your time and use a straight edge for all your cuts to ensure everything aligns perfectly. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Start by constructing the base chassis and floor pan, ensuring it's sturdy. Then, carefully attach the side panels, hood, and trunk using your chosen adhesive. Apply even pressure and allow sufficient drying time for each section. For extra strength, reinforce key joints with additional cardboard strips or more glue, making your Camaro robust. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to bring your cardboard Camaro to life. Cut out and attach smaller details such as wheels, headlights, taillights, and windows. You can use different colored cardboard or even markers for these. For a polished look, paint your entire Camaro in a classic color. You might even consider adding simple interior elements like seats or a steering wheel for extra realism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.